Hi everyone, welcome to our new project. This is designed by La Premiere Design. This project we designed together. I'm working with Jill.
Hi, I'm one of the interior designers at La Premiere Design. And we're happy to show you the project located in San Jose, California in the traditional modern style. Let's take a look at the first bathroom.
At the beginning, actually this is really regular bathroom. They have the shower here and big walk-in pantry here, but I feel like the space need more open, so I break down the pantry. So we make the open shop here to make the whole bathroom looks more bigger and more like lighting coming in. So we make the big slab here and also in the shower area, but we put the wood shelf here because I want to see the contrast more cold and the hot texture putting together, so mixed together.
The marble stone that we picked really complements the wall tiles in the room. The veining from this slab actually has some warmth to it and green tones to it, which makes a perfect connection. With the metal finishes, all the plumbing finishes on the hardware, we really wanted to bring in some of the silver tones to really complement some of the cooler tones from the marbles. In this bathroom, we added a lot of custom detail work. For example, you can see the custom mirror that we used from wall to wall. And then we have the wall-mounted vanity, which adds some more clear space in the room and creates the illusion of a larger bathroom.
This is our guest bathroom. I want to introduce you guys a unique part because this is the highlight point in this bathroom. We make the pony wall in the middle because we want to keep the functional or to make the whole slide looks more interesting. Like as you can see, we have the LED lighting under the wall, like in the corner. The reason is I want the LED lighting to show us like the waterfall lighting show. And then we pick the really real patterns for the porcelain. Actually, this is the porcelain, not the marble. And you can see the marble pattern looks more cold feeling, and we pick more like warm tone tile to make those two colors looks more connect to each other. So we pick the brushed nickel hardware to make the tile and the marble in between to connect to each other.
We added a custom mirror in order to accentuate the heightness of this room. Similarly, the length of the mirror is complementing and matching the height of the porcelain wall on the other side. The highlights from this room and some of our favorite design moments can be seen in this application of the plaster wall. Lots of layers have been added to create this smooth texture. We wanted to bring some of the beautiful outdoor nature and green tones into the room, which is why we chose the green tones in the plaster and this marble with green and cooler veining. This creates the perfect harmony between these two colors.
This is the shower area. At the beginning, they have both sides of the wall in the shower, but in here, because we picked the big marble slab with the book mesh here, so I opened this wall to make the whole room more bigger, so give it to the more showcase look. And also we can see here we make a little makeup table here to make the space more bigger.
Since we used a beautiful marbles, we wanted to keep showcasing them throughout the room. And we decided to add this beautiful marble trim and baseboard all along the perimeter of the room. This really helps tie in the whole design together and also highlight the beautiful stone. For the niches, we built out custom cabinetry, working directly with the client to make sure that we had the right storage solutions for them. And we really wanted to showcase the marble as kind of the principal character in this design story. We added the marble inset inside the niches in all three niches of the room. And we also bring this marble back into the trim and the baseboard surrounding the entire perimeter of the room. The focal point of this Master Ensuite is this beautiful window wall. We wanted to further accentuate it by adding this beautiful contemporary and luxurious bathtub in the center of the wall. As you can see, it has a curved silhouette which is a very modern or contemporary style. Similarly, the bath filler and all the faucets and plumbing have the same curves throughout each area.